Number 1. SILVA S6. It is an efficient and portable harvester that has been manufactured in Finland. It is designed for intermediate filling and can be equipped with different types of harvester heads. Its cabin has a stabilization system to provide operator comfort. It measures 25 in length and weighs 44,500 pounds. It has an engine with 429 horsepower and 848 foot-pounds of torque. Its cabin can rotate 47 degrees and its hydraulic arm has a reach of 38 feet. It has a fuel tank of 126 gallons capacity and can reach a speed of 15 miles per hour. Number 2. John Deere 1470. It is a versatile harvester with great precision that has been made in the United States. It is designed to provide great stability and its cab has a self-leveling system to keep the operator balanced and comfortable. It measures 25 feet in length and weighs 40,000 pounds. It has an engine with 268 horsepower and 970 pounds of torque. Its cabin can rotate 160 degrees and its hydraulic arm has a reach of 36 feet. It has a 118-gallon fuel tank capacity and can reach a speed of 30 miles per hour. Number 3. KOMATSU 951. It is a harvester with great maneuverability that has been manufactured in Sweden. It has a spacious cabin with multiple equipment. It is designed to optimize fuel consumption and provide maximum operator comfort. It measures 27 feet in length and weighs 50,000 pounds. It has an engine with 286 horsepower and 945 foot-pounds of torque. Its cabin can rotate 180 degrees and its hydraulic arm has a reach of 32 feet. It has a fuel tank of 140 gallons capacity and can reach a speed of 14 miles per hour. Number 4. PONCE beer. It is a powerful and stable harvester that has been manufactured in Finland. It is designed for intensity filling in difficult conditions. It has an assist winch for traction and its head can cut logs up to 29 inches. It measures 29 feet in length and weighs 52,400 pounds. It has an engine with 321 horsepower and 958 foot-pounds of torque. Its cabin can rotate 250 degrees and its hydraulic arm has a reach of 36 feet. It has a 105-gallon fuel tank capacity and can reach a speed of 11 miles per hour. And the last, number 5, SSM 405. It is an agile and stable harvester that has been manufactured in Germany. It is designed to provide strength when felling thick trees and can cut logs up to 25 inches in diameter. It measures 30 feet in length and weighs 57,700 pounds. It has an engine with 348 horsepower and 1,215 foot-pounds of torque. Its cabin can rotate 270 degrees and its hydraulic arm has a reach of 36 feet. It has a 130-gallon fuel tank and can reach a speed of 8 miles per hour.